Yo, what's up guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of Lesson. For today, I want to shout out a very big thanks to all my new subscribers, okay? Thank you for my old subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning into this channel, okay? I really appreciate it. Thank you by staying by me. Thank you for always commenting. Thank you for liking. I appreciate it. Alright guys, so for today, I just want to do a breakdown of the video I made some times ago about the Fungi praise, okay, on the double strings. Some people call it dua, okay, something like this. Okay, that is called double strings, or you can call it a dua note. Okay, so I know many of you might not watch the video, but I'm going to put the video on the screen here so you can watch the video how I played, okay? Though I was just playing a little improvisation of it, okay? So I'll just put it on video on the screen here so you can watch it, okay? Then I will do some of the breakdowns for you to understand, and you can apply it also in your playing, okay? Alright guys, so if this is the first time you're watching my video, I would like you to hit on that subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any time I upload an interesting video like this, okay? If you like the video, smash the like button. If you have any challenges, you can drop it down in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. Yeah, what's up there? Okay, so guys, this is part of the video I made. This is the intro. So, but if you want to watch a full video, you can go. I'll put a tab here on the screen so you can go and watch the full video. Okay, or at the end of this video, yeah, I'll put the video on the end of this video so you can go and watch the full video how I play. But the song was in the key of this is the key of G. I was playing the song in the key of G. This is the key of G, okay, on the second string. Okay, that is the key of G on the second string here. So what I was kind of a double string. I don't know if you don't know your double strings. I made a video on that. How you can play your double strings. It's a do mi re va, do mi re va la, so ti do la do ti re do mi. Okay. Do ti la so. Okay, that is a double strings. Call it double notes, or you can call it a dua scale. Re, mi, fa, sol, do. Okay, the simple method you can understand it is and the do mi is closed. It's closed, 2 fingers. The re fa is open. Okay. Mi saw the same. Open. Then va la is open. It's closed. Okay. Same as the saw T. Then the la do. Open. La do is open. Okay. Hope you can see. The T ray is open. And the do mi you close it again. You open. You open. You close. You close. You open. You open. You close. Okay, this is what I was playing. It's very simple. So I'm starting from the saw note. Saw T. Okay, because this is the key of G there. Okay, on this shape. So this is a saw T. Okay, so I play from the saw T. Okay, saw T, la la. Okay, this is your picking tone is down, up. Okay, down, up. Okay. Okay. Then I come to the va. Va, la, mi, so, re, va, do, mi. Then I play from down to up now. Mi, so, va, re. Okay, mi, so, va, re, do, mi. Then I have my T saw here again, or T re. Okay, I have a re T here again, because this is me. So if you play here and the second string here, that will give you re and T, because this is do, your root, then T. Okay, so if you play then you repeat like that again. So now for the improvisation, okay, I was playing something like this. So okay, so what I was playing there was do mi, re, do, la, do, ti. Okay, re, do, la, do, ti. Okay. Now play so, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Okay, the progression is just like 1, 5. So I played. Going to saw now. Coming to mi, do now. Okay, so that is the progression of what I just played all throughout. Okay, I'm improvising on different improvisation, different melodies. Okay, but you just listen to the song, I believe you will get a good understanding of what I just played so far. And so I play something like this again. Okay, we're starting from the re now. Re, okay, re, fa, mi, do. Okay, coming down to the mi. Okay, then I play again. Okay, I play something like that. Coming to that then. Okay, so see, do so mi la. Okay, sorry, do so ba mi. Ba mi re do la. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So you just keep working on that, listening to the song carefully. I played a lot of melodies, using the second strings, okay, using the double note, something like this. Okay, all those stuff I play, just listen to the video very carefully. Okay, you're going to understand all what I played, and just using the second strings, just listen to the progression. Okay, I'm going to drop that for now. So wherever you don't understand a part of that video, you can drop it down in the comment section. You can stream it and drop it down in the comment section. Then I will do more video about it for you. Okay, so for now, thank God for watching. See you next video. Bye.